Hi, to find camera settings on your iPhone 16e, just go in your phone settings and here scroll down to find camera section. And now you can adjust all of the camera settings. For example, we can go in formats first and here choose most compatible, and for photo mode select 24MP camera. Now we can go back, choose record video, and here select 4K at 30 FPS resolution, which is the best option for social media and general use. Also, be sure to turn on enhanced stabilization for better stabilization, especially if you are shooting handheld. And you can turn off HDR video if you're shooting for social media to avoid unwanted drama in your video. And also, let's go back in camera settings. Here we can turn on grid to improve the layout of your shots. So make sure that switcher is green. And you can also turn on use volume up for burst to easily capture burst shot photos. And be sure to activate mirror front camera to keep your selfies oriented as in the preview. Then you can go in photographic styles and here choose best style for you, or the same you can do right for your camera. So let's open camera. Now we can swipe up and find photographic styles here. Standard, rich contrast, vibrant, and so on. So each of the style we can manually adjust, for example, warmth or tone. And yep, then simply press camera shutter button to take photo. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.